Hi everyone, it's Rita from Miss Rita to the Rescue. How are you all doing today? I am enjoying this fall weather. Let's see, it's cold and rainy, but that's okay. They can't all be beautiful sunny fall days, can they? So I'm just enjoying the fact that I am alive and I'm able to come to you today again to give you another project. But before I do, I wanted to mention that we are posting at least 4 new projects a week, and it can get a little bit busy during the week. I don't know about you, but I sometimes struggle to keep up with my email and all of whatever's going on with all my friends online. So I'd like to ask you if you wouldn't mind subscribing to my YouTube channel. If you subscribe to my YouTube channel, you can also enter in to a giveaway that I'm doing this month for a Cricut Mini, EasyPress Mini, with a roll of that brand new Infusible ink, and it's fabulous. So if you want to get your name in, and all you have to do is subscribe to my YouTube channel, and that's it, guys. That's it. So there's no obligation, and this will ensure that you don't miss a thing. And there's a lot of things going on here. So today we're going to talk about this really adorable pumpkin box. And I'm not really sure what you'd use it for, but oh gee, I'm sure treats would fit in there nice, or a little bit of fill there. What do you call that stuff? You know, the paper shred, the shred inside there, and maybe a candy bar or two, or perhaps, oh, I don't know, a little thing of hand lotion. That would be a nice gift, like a teacher gift when you go to see the teachers. Yeah, that's a great idea. So, okay, anyway, this is a free file that I got from Dreaming Tree, 3dsvg.com, and it is a free file. They have a ton of free files, and they're really fabulous files. And what I like about it is because they're design space files, I can make changes. So in this particular case, I think, I'm not really positive, but you'll see that there are like 3 layers to make the pumpkin. And I changed the color of the middle layer. So that's something you can do with the design space file. Isn't that great? Now, so I just changed the color, and this is a topic that we're going to go over when we put this together. So stay with me. Really simple. Put this together. Easy assembly. So when putting together this this treat box, or this pumpkin box, really the part that is the actual box is really a simple project. It's just this black cutout. It's all one piece, and you're going to fold all of the tabs at the score lines there and glue them together to make the box. Pretty simple. And the thing that I wanted to talk to you about today was this pumpkin, because when you and maybe Leo explains this in his video a little bit, but I don't know that I remember that. But the thing that happens with the pumpkin is that it's in three pieces, you see. And now a lot of designers, a lot of people who do paper crafts will ink their layers, and that's basically when you take an ink pad and you put ink all around the edges here to delineate, to keep them separate from each other. I have done this, you know, this inking thing before, and to be frank, I'm messy. I'm a messy person, and so for me, you know, I get ink everywhere. So I tend to avoid the inking. I understand that it makes like a gradient, you know, Okay, sorry, the dogs were going crazy over a Great Dane across the street. Anyway, so I don't do the inking. I think it's messy, and I try to avoid it. So how do I create that depth that is necessary to really give that pumpkin kind of a rounded or a three-dimensional look? Well, two things. First is when I choose the paper that I'm cutting the pumpkin out of, I make the front and the back layer be the same, and then I add a second, a contrast layer or a similar, like slightly shade or tonal difference. That's the first way to do it. And the second way to do it is, because here is what it looks like just flat. You know, I mean, that's if you do it just with the shading. Gives it kind of the ribs of the pumpkin, which is nice, but you want it to kind of look like it's standing out. And so this is what I do. I take my pieces here, right? And I use these pop dot things again. I don't know how many you want to put there, but I'll just do for the example. These are like, they look like little aspirin. They're round. So I put the pop dot on the back of the middle layer, right? Remove both sides of the adhesive, and then I will kind of like layer them. I hold it just above exactly where I'm going to stick it, because I don't want it to stick in the wrong place. But see how that gives that sort of look? This way, for me, I can avoid doing inking on projects and can avoid getting ink all over my hands, which I am wont to do on a regular basis. That was so much fun, wasn't it? If you have an opportunity and you're interested in this free file, don't forget to go to dreamingtree3dsvg.com. You'll see right at the top of their page it says free designs. You do need to create an account, but you could go through and there's dozens there. I'd say like 50. So there's a lot of great things, and they're all free. Obviously they do sell their SVGs and the ones that are way more advanced. So this is a great place to start if you're unsure of how to do like 3D structures or 3D projects like this. It's great to start with the free files and learn some of the techniques. There you go. Thanks so much for stopping by today. My name is Rita, and this is my channel, Miss Rita to the Rescue. I'm so glad that you made it and made it to the end of the video. If you haven't already, would you please subscribe to my YouTube channel? And perhaps if you are on Facebook, you can like my Facebook page. This will ensure that you get all of the updates on all my videos, and I am making sometimes 5 to 6 videos a week. That's a lot of videos to keep track of, and you're certainly not going to be able to catch them all unless you subscribe to the YouTube channel, and that way you can, you know, just kind of binge watch me, binge watch them, you know, on a Saturday when you have time or whatever, on the ride home from in the carpool or whatever. Anyway, it's an idea. Thanks so much for coming today. I really hope you have a wonderful day and that you try this project.